The Minister for Sports, Youth and Culture, David Cruiser Ngcampalala, says the 2017 calendar of activities for the Ministry of Sports will mostly focus on improving matters of the youth. The minister said this during an interview with Swazi TV Sports.
Having experienced a successful 2016 calendar activities in sports, the 2017 is said to be an excellent one where the ministry in charge, Ministry of Sports, Youth and Culture Affairs, will mostly focus on the youth, the development of the youth to be specific. This was revealed by the Minister for Sports, Youth and Culture Affairs, David Cruiser Ngcampalala.
Well, to start, one would say what a year it was in 2016, where we mostly thank government and different sponsors for the support. For this year, our main mandate will see through the youth as a focus. By youth, we mean the development of the young, which is something that is done universally. This will, of course, be well executed with the support of government.
The minister also highlighted on the issues of budget and the construction of a new stadium.
The issue of the stadium has been stated a couple of times, therefore I would mention that everything is still in planning, soon to be executed. To conclude, I would also add that it is His Majesty's desire of having FIFA standard stadiums, which will also be brought to action.
Ngcampalala concluded wishing all sporting courses and different associations a happy new year and urged them to do all in their powers to meet His Majesty's vision of 2022. For Swazi TV Sports, Fabrice Musonela, Swasani Mabuza, Mbabane.